is a special marine warning for open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 29 nautical miles northwest of St. Joseph Light to 20 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service